you tell us a little bit, how was the process of working with us?
Fantastic. Actually, couldn't ask for a nicer group of guys. As far as the crew that was here, everybody was pleasant. They got here on time, or if they were running a little late, they definitely would call. In the past, I've dealt with other people that would not call, would not show, type of thing. I've recently ran into that with Best Buy, so don't buy anything. You might edit that out, but then, but that was another story. But yeah, everybody was great. Again, when they were getting ready to leave, they let me know, say, hey, Bill, we're getting ready to leave. You can let your dog out, this, that, whatever. Of course, with the dog that I had, he had to stay in the other room because this was mainly his room where he came in through the dog door that I had in the old door. Mm-hmm. And so, yeah, it was fantastic working with him. Couldn't ask for a better group of guys.
We appreciate that, definitely.
Yeah.
So